So everyone just close your eyes and just lower all your barriers and just take a nice deep breath in through your nose and just exhale out through your mouth. And take another deep breath in through your nose and exhale out from your mouth. And one more deep breath in and just let go of everything that you're holding on to in your body. And just relax all your barriers. And just become aware of how much space you are occupying. And can you perceive how much more space that is than you have ever been willing to occupy before? And now just keep expanding out and expand out even more and expand out even more and more and more and more. And today is the Earth Day. So just become aware of your feet on the floor. And now ask your body to run restoration of communion with the earth. Right and wrong, good and bad, bottom POC, all nine, shorts, boys, and beyond. So do you perceive this tingling in your feet and this exchange of energy which occurs between your feet and the earth? And can you perceive the earth energy that is flowing through your whole body? Our whole body is connected with the earth. Our body is made up of the elements of the earth. It's just that we have disconnected ourselves from the earth. And the moment you run restoration of communion with the earth, you have an awareness of the communion that you have with the earth and the energy of the earth that is present in your body and that actually courses through your whole body. And also become aware of how your energy is flowing down into the earth and is contributing to the earth. So how is your energy changing the energy of the earth as well? So it's the simultaneity of the gifting and receiving of how the earth is gifting to you and your body and how you are gifting to the earth, how you and your body are gifting to the earth. And now become aware of this energy of the generosity of spirit. And can you perceive the generosity of spirit that the earth functions from? Wow. And what would it be like if you could function from the generosity of spirit that the earth functions from? Can you perceive how the earth continuously is gifting to every being on the planet, every molecule on the planet? And it has absolutely no expectations in return. And is the earth continuously changing your reality by the gifting that it is being. So everywhere that the earth is changing your reality by the gifting that it is being, will you acknowledge that now, please? And everything that doesn't allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyond. So what is the earth gifting to you that is changing your reality that you are not acknowledging? And everything that doesn't allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that and acknowledge that, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right or wrong, good or bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyond. So what would it be like if you be the generosity of spirit that the earth bees, and everything that doesn't allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right or wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. And everywhere where you are being the generosity of spirit that the earth bees, will you acknowledge that now, please? And everything that doesn't allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right or wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyond. So what energy, space, and consciousness can you and your body be to be the generosity of spirit where the earth truly be with total ease for all eternity? And everything that doesn't allow it, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right or wrong, good or bad, pot or pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyond. And what energy, space, and consciousness can you and your body be to be the generosity of spirit that the earth be with total ease for all eternity? And everything that doesn't allow it, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyond. So what is the earth gifting you that you are not willing to receive? So everything that is, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. So what is the earth gifting you that you're not willing to receive or that you're refusing to receive? Everything that is times godzillion, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right, wrong, good, bad, pot, pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyonds. What level of receiving can you be with the earth that you don't even know can exist? And everything that doesn't allow it, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyond. So what level of receiving can you be with the earth that you didn't even know could exist? Everything that is times godzillion, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyond. What level of receiving can you be with the earth that you didn't even know could exist? Everything that is times godzillion, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine shorts, boys, and beyond. And what would it be like if you were willing to receive everything that the earth is gifting you? Everything that is times Godzillion will you destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all lines, shorts, boys, and beyond. And what would it be like if you could receive everything that the earth desires to gift you? Everything that is times Godzillion will you destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all lines, shorts, boys, and beyond. What are you refusing from the earth that you truly could be receiving from the earth, that if you would receive it, would change your whole reality and create a life and future full of possibilities? Everything that is times Godzillion will you destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all lines, shorts, boys, and beyond. And what are you refusing to receive from the earth that you could be receiving from the earth, that if you were to receive it, would create a life and future full of infinite possibilities? And everything that doesn't allow you to perceive, know, be, and receive that, will you destroy and uncreate it all? Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all lines, shorts, boys, and beyond. And what can you gift to the earth that you're refusing to gift to the earth, that if you were to gift it, would create a future full of infinite possibilities? And everything that is times Godzillion will you destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all lines, shorts, boys, and beyond. What simultaneity of gifting and receiving can you be with the earth that you've been dynamically refusing? And everything that is times Godzillion will you destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all lines, shorts, boys, and beyond. So what energy, space, and consciousness can you and your body be to be the simultaneity of gifting and receiving with the earth you truly be with total ease for all eternity? And everything that doesn't allow it will you destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all lines, shorts, boys, and beyond. And what simultaneity of gifting and receiving can you be with the earth that you've never chosen yet? And everything that doesn't allow it will you destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all lines, shorts, boys, and beyond. And what simultaneity of gifting and receiving are you being with the earth that you're not acknowledging? And everything that doesn't allow it times Godzillion will you destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all lines, shorts, boys, and beyond. And what gratitude can you be for the earth? What energy, space, and consciousness can you and your body be to be the gratitude you truly be with the earth and for the earth with total ease for all eternity? And everything that doesn't allow it will you destroy and uncreate it all. Right and wrong, good and bad, pot and pock, all nine, shorts, boys, and beyond. And now, just become aware of your feet on the floor and let us run restoration of communion with the earth once again. right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all lines, shorts, boys, and beyond. And body, run all the energies that the earth requires today. Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all lines, shorts, boys, and beyond. And body, run all the energies that you require today. Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all lines, shorts, boys, and beyond. And again, body, run restoration of communion with the earth. Right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all lines, shorts, boys, and beyond. And everything that the earth requires today, let's contribute it at the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now let's contribute a 1, 2, 3, 4 for a sustainable living earth for the next 50,000 years. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And once again, body run restoration of communion with the earth, right and wrong, good and bad, POD and POC, all lines, shorts, boys, and beyond. And now take a nice deep breath in and breath out. And become aware of your feet on the floor, the breath in your lungs, and your head against the backrest of the chair. And be here now. And whenever you're ready, you may slowly open your eyes.